Back to my YouTube channel. As you can see from the title, today's video is going to be another get ready with me kind of video. I don't really know what to call this kind of video anymore, but it's just going to be like a watch me transform kind of video. So first I'm going in with my Vaseline to moisturize my lips because they were a bit dry. I should have gone in with some moisturizer, but I didn't. I just used the leftover Vaseline all over my face. My face is really dry, as you guys can see. But now I've just moved on to the brows, and I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Lift and Snatch Brow Tint pen. And I really like this. It's in the color Ash Brown. And I don't know, I just think it really works well with my skin tone. It's not too dark, it's not too light, and it's not too red. It's just like a nice brown color, so I really do love this. So I'm just going in and filling in my brows with the pen. And now I'm moving on to the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Multi-Use Concealer, and I'm using the shade 10 to basically carve out my brows. I really like this concealer as well. I just feel like it's so creamy, it's so rich, and it's easy to work with as well. You can just see me easily blending that out with my brush. So I really do love this concealer. It's very affordable as well. And now moved on to the same concealer but in a different color. It's the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Concealer, but I'm using the shade 11, and I'm just going in all over my dark marks, and then I'm going in with my my blender to just basically blend that out. And I'm doing it under my eyes as well, and I'm taking another layer and just putting that all over my face just to cover the dark marks. So far I think I've got like a really good coverage, considering I haven't used my foundation yet. So I just like to go in with this beforehand just to cover up any dark marks. I'm just taking that down the sides of my face and my neck. And then I'm going in with my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation, and I'm in the shade 16S. I'm going to leave everything down below as well for you guys, so if you're interested in seeing all the products, they will be listed down below. So yeah, I really do love this concealer. It's not heavy at all. I feel like I can't really feel it on my face whenever I apply it, so I really do love that. And now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and the shade is actually not listed on the product, guys, but I'm going to search and see if I can find what shade it is. But it's basically the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And I'm just taking that, under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, a little bit in my forehead, and then I'm just using my beauty blender just to blend that out. I'm using the bottom of my beauty blender, then I'm going to go in with the top to blend out my under eye concealer. I really love this concealer. It's so creamy, it's so lightweight as well. I find that it does not crease underneath my eyes, so I really do love that about it. And now I'm going in with another layer of the same concealer just to brighten up the under eye a bit more. that's all blended, I'm going to go in with my Morphe setting powder in the shade Banana, and I'm going to mix it with my LOREAL translucent setting powder. I really love the color it gives when I mix them together. So there, I've just mixed it together, and now I'm going to go in with a smaller beauty sponge, and I'm just going to basically just set everywhere that I've just concealed. But before, I'm just going in with my sponge just to blend it out just before I go. And I'm just doing a bit of reverse contouring here. And now I'm just going in with my fluffy brush, and I'm just using Mineralized Skin Finish from MAC in the shade Dark Deepest. And I'm just using that, you know, to bronze up my face a bit, add a bit more color back into my face. And then I'm just using that brush as well, just to dust away the excess, and just to try and bring everything together nicely. I'm trying to brush away any harsh lines. And now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation powder. I'm in the shade 370, and I'm just going to use that as well, just to, like, you know, set the rest of my face, and kind of just use it as well to just blend everything together, get that perfect finish, no harsh lines, and everything is like perfectly blended. I'm just going to take a bit more of my mixture of the Morphe setting powder in Banana and my LOREAL translucent powder to contour my nose a bit more. Then I'm going in with the shade Morocco from Anastasia Beverly Hills Shadow Couture palette, and I'm just putting that right above my crease area. Then I'm going in with the shade Fudge, and I'm just focusing that in my crease just to deepen it a bit. So now that that is done, I've blended everything together. I'm now going in with my brush again and just making sure that the darker shade is a bit brighter. Going in with Soft Peach from the same eyeshadow palette, the Shadow Couture Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm just putting that on my lid. And as you can see, again, I'm going in with Fudge, and I'm just bringing it on the outer corner. Now I'm going to go in with my mascara. This is a mascara that I actually got from Primark. I can't remember the name, but I'm going to leave the name of it in the description box below. Now I'm going in with Cork from MAC, Cork Lip Liner by MAC, and I'm just lining my lips. I'm being very careful not to overline my lips, just because this is like a natural look. We don't want anything to look too extravagant, too much. So now I'm going in with Honey Love matte lipstick from MAC, and I'm just applying that in the center of my lid, and then I'm going in with the light lip gloss by MAC, and I'm just applying that on top. And I'm dusting away that excess powder from my face. And I'm just going in with a little bit more of the Cork lip liner just to emphasize the line a bit more. So now I'm done with my lips. I'm just using my brush just to define my contour slash bronzer a little bit more, just to add a bit more color back into my face. And now I'm going in with my clear lip gloss. This is just a lip gloss I got from the hair shop. Now I'm taking my flat definer brush and I'm going in with Fudge from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Shadow Couture palette, and I'm just applying that to my lower lash line, just below my lower lash line. And then I'm just using a flat shader brush. I don't know what to call this brush actually. I think this is the, I don't know, I think it's just a flat eyeshadow brush. And I've applied my lashes off camera, and yeah, this is the final look, guys. I really hope that you liked it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video as well. If you do, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Love ya. See ya.